Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya, and in today's video I have a haul to share with you. This is from MFT, and ignore the Lego here. My husband is building something and he's using my craft table. Okay, so let me show you. This is from MFT, and the one who packed my stamps is Emma, so thank you, Emma. Okay, so I really love the new release for them, and also I got some of other old stuff. So they are not organized, so let me share with you what I picked up. I got this Scene Builder by Stacey Cola, and this one called, Scene Builder. I got this stamp set called Sweet Holiday Penguin. I'm trying to build my collection or have most of Stacey Cola illustration. I love these cute penguins. Then I think this is free with 60. Cheers. I got this one called Sunflower Wreath. So beautiful when I saw the sample, so I'm really excited to try this one. I got this one called Island Celebration. So cute. I just love it. Blooming with Love. I think I have this set. Let's see. I got this stamp set called No One Stacks Up to You. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I was eyeing on this one. Always sold out, so I'm happy to have this one called Really Great Day. Cute. This one, Happy Pumpkin Season. On solid ground. On solid ground. The stencil, I got this cloud one. Sorry about that. This one called Through the Clouds. And this one, Grid. Then from the new release, I just got this 3 stamps. Pond Pals. Look at these cute ducks. And I loved anything ducks or chicken. You know, my grandma used to raise chicken and ducks on her roof in the building. This is something common in Egypt, that people have really houses or big houses. They tend the top roof, make it like small farm or something. So both my grandmas used, you know, to raise ducks, chicken, geese. And when I was a little kid, they asked me to go and give them food. I was really scared from chicken because they can, you know, jump on you. Not like the ducks or geese. Anyway. So anything duck, chicken, I'm on it. Okay, then I got this one called Mermaid for Each Other. Oh my gosh, look, they're so cute, especially the one that's holding a heart. Cute. And this octopus. And what grabbed my attention, this beautiful large stamp set. This one called One of a Kind Friend. It's a unicorn with a watermelon on a donut. Uni mermaid, I don't know. So cute. I really love it. Yeah, so summer is here. I'm really excited. I think I will start with the summer one. I don't recall, you know, making cards for summer, so I'm really excited to start with the unicorn. I hope you like it, and tell me if you want to see my husband's building. It's huge. Oopsie. It's huge. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye. Forgot to show you 2 more hauls. This one from Concord and Night, and that's my first time to order from them. They were having a sale, so I grabbed some stuff from them. I got this stamp set called Rainbow Turnabout. Love it. I got this mix and match holiday sentiment dies. Usually I got this because I would like to build a background or a tile, so using this die, so you can, you know, use all your scraps and just build a tile or a wall for a card or our journal page. Then I got this finally, this one called Bake Shop Die. I really love all these accessories. the bread, and I got the library too, or this one called bookshop die. Yeah, you can see it here. It comes with a stamp. This one, all the books. Then I got this with the die. I think I have this stamp set, but anyway, I got it both again. I really love this butterfly. I saw a beautiful tutorial by Jennifer Maguire, so you know what, I have to grab it. I got this stamp set. Let's have a name. Tree ring background stamp. This one called flower a la carte stamp set and a die. I got this die. This one called Simply You dies. You die. I got this umbrella, rain or shine dies. Can you see? Yeah. Then this rainbow stitches and strings dies. This one called Make Some Noise dies. This was a really large order. Make a Wish die. Again, same concept. I got these two, again, mix and match for the background, that the idea. I have it. I'm gonna share a tutorial hopefully soon. Then this one called Picked Poesy die. It's a flower. It looks like a Simon Hurley flower die. Then these were the most expensive one. These large dies, and this one called Pinwheel Colt Top dies. And this one, Geometric Colt Top dies. And this one, a Chaperon Quilt Top dies. Yeah, so this is from Concord and 9th. From Colorado Craft Company, I saw the release by Anita. Of course, I have to grab it. And I grabbed some other stuff. So I got this background stamp. This one called Summer Garden. Okay, I got this stamp set with the die. This one called Garden Party. I feel I have this one. Let's see. And the dies. I got this one too. And this one called Pond Pampering. This one called Get Together. Beautiful. And oh, this is the coordinating dies. Look at this. They're so cute. This one called Playtime. This one called A Fox's Life. Another stamp set called Laundry Day. I don't like laundry, but so cute. Then this one called what? I got the die and the stamp set. This one called Whiskers Kisses. Okay, from the new release, I got this stamp set, Picnic Cats. Look at these, they're so cute. And I got the die, and I got this one, Lift Higher. My kids always lift me up. So maybe because of my son. And I got the dies. Yeah, so this is from Colorado Craft Company. Okay, and from Waffle Flower, I really wanted this bear die, but sold out everywhere. So I just got other stuff. I got this stamp set, I think, to in sale, called Hand Delivered. I got this classic book die. I'm not sure how I missed this one. This is just all about books. So beautiful. I really like it. And this is also layered book die. So anyone loves books, check Waffle Flower. They have a lot of stuff also, I think stamp set. I got this die, circle frame dies. I think this is also square frame dies. Organic frame die. Label Maker holiday matching die. And I got from the new, I don't know which release was this, but I really love all the samples. This one called Beehive die. Sweet Daisy die. And finally the bee. Happy Bee die. Yup, that's my haul for this month. Yeah, I cannot wait to play with it. I'm not sure, I have a lot of stuff to play with. There is no time. So maybe when my kids start to go to school again in September, we'll start to work with all these beautiful stuff. I think this is the life of crafter. You know, buying art supplies is a hobby, and crafting and making cards is another hobby. Yeah. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.